Twitch page, and here is the forum page. Once you log in, one quick thing you can do to test is to just hit this explainer button. If you click that, come back to Twitch.
This interactive AI holograms exhibit uses Oracle AI services such
And you'll
as
see it working,
AI,
okay?
as well as Oracle Database Select AI and vector search features.
Now, then you can ask questions, of course. There are two options. You can ask the LLM directly, or you can use the Oracle Database Select AI and vector search. And so a good question to ask is, what is the latest version of the Oracle database? Because the LLM will say 19, but RAG, because it's using the database and documents that are stored in the database, will answer with 23 AI. Okay, so select one of these, hit the microphone, ask your question, and then hit the stop button to send the question, and then check Twitch for the reply. So let me try it right now. What is the latest version of the Oracle database? So I hit send, come over to Twitch.
AI, focusing on artificial intelligence and developer productivity features.
Okay, so it gave the answer. If I ask another question, it is conversational. So I can say, I can use that in this words. So, what are some new features of it? So now it refers to the last question, so you have some conversation.
Oracle Database 23i includes AI vector search, new data types, microservice support, and enhancements to SQL and SQL functionalities.
Okay. And it'll only keep this conversation history for 2 questions. So your third question, you'll still have the history of the last 2, but your fourth question will only have, the last 2. And then you can clear the text field and the conversation by hitting this. This is the explainer button that I explained already. And then this button switches to mirror me mode, which is what you will use when you have the exhibit where you use the phone and someone stands in front of the phone and it mirrors their movements. But as soon as you ask a question or hit the explainer, it will switch back to this one avatar.
This interactive AI holograms exhibit uses Oracle AI services such as
and she's the one that answers all the questions, in other words. Okay, so that's about it.